The three words that I would use to describe this workshop are insightful, hopeful, and passionate.
Professional, educational, fun.
Revolutionary, and engaging, and connected. I feel like the group was really connected.
Welcoming, fun, that was a surprise, and safe.
Engaging, transformative, provoking.
It was useful, it was empowering, and it was community building. That's 4 words.
It's practical, it's effective, and it's really fun.
So we got engaging, practical, and I think the workshop inspired hope in me.
So productive, I think insightful, and fun. He's got great music going on, he's got great humor, so it was a very positive experience. Yeah.
And I feel like I'm leaving here with some tools that give me some hope for future conversations and actually making a difference.